أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى. أما من استغنى فأنت له تصدى وما عليك ألا يزكى. وأما من جاءك يسعى وهو يخشى فأنت عنه تلهى. كلا إنها تذكرة فمن شاء ذكره في صحف مكرمة مرفوعة مطهرة بأيدي سفرة كرام بررة. قتل الإنسان ما أكفره من أي شيء خلقه من نطفة خلقه فقدره ثم السبيل يسره ثم أماته فأقبره ثم إذا شاء أنشره. كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم. فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه. وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة. أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة.
The prophet frowned and turned away because there came to him the blind man, interrupting. And how can you know that he might become pure from sins? Or be reminded and the remembrance would benefit him? As for he who thinks himself without need, to him you give attention. And not upon you is any blame if he will not be purified. But as to him who came to you running, while he fears Allah, from him you are distracted. No. Indeed, these verses are a reminder, so whoever wills may remember it. It is recorded in honored sheets, exalted and purified in the hands of scribes, angels, noble and dutiful. Cursed is man, how disbelieving is he! From what thing did he create him? From a sperm drop he created him and destined for him, then he eased the way for him. Then he causes his death and provides a grave for him. Then when he wills, he will resurrect him. No. Man has not yet accomplished what he commanded him. Then let man look at his food. We pour forth water in abundance. And we split the earth in clefts, and produce therein corn, and grapes and herbage, and olives and date palms, and gardens of dense shrubber, and fruit and grass, for use and convenience to you and your cattle. But when there comes the deafening blast, on the day a man will flee from his brother, and his mother and his father, and his wife and his children. For every man that day will be a matter adequate for him. Some faces that day will be beaming, laughing, rejoicing. And other faces that day will be dust-stained, darkness will cover them. Those are the disbelievers, the wicked ones.
وقال الرسول يا رب إن قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مهجورا.
And the messenger has said, O my Lord, indeed my people have taken this Quran as a thing abandoned.